In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy GoDaddy hosting and domain and connect GoDaddy domain with hosting. By the end, you'll have your hosting purchased, your domain registered, and the two connected so your site is ready to go live. Start by heading to the GoDaddy website and opening the web hosting section. Click Explore Plans to compare what's available. Take a moment to look at how many websites each plan supports, the storage included, and whether features like backups or an SSL certificate are bundled. If you're launching a single simple site, an entry plan is often fine. If you plan to host multiple sites or expect higher traffic, consider a tier that supports more resources. Once you've found your fit, click Buy to begin checkout. You'll be asked for billing information, enter accurate contact details, and ensure the billing address matches your payment method. Next, select a billing term. Longer terms usually offer better introductory pricing, but review the renewal rate so there are no surprises later. Confirm your currency, review any add-ons that may have been pre-selected, and complete the payment when everything looks correct. During checkout or right after, create or sign into your GoDaddy account. Keeping your hosting and domain under one account consolidates everything into a single dashboard, which makes management and renewals much easier. If you purchased both the domain and hosting from GoDaddy, the platform often handles most of the connection automatically as you complete the hosting setup. After purchase, go to your account dashboard and open My Products. Under Web Hosting, locate your new hosting plan and click Setup. You'll see on-screen prompts to choose the domain you want to associate with this hosting as your primary domain. If you just registered a new domain with your order, it should appear in the list. Select it, confirm the settings, and proceed through the guided steps. Once configured, GoDaddy finalizes the connection and updates DNS as needed. This change may take a short time to propagate across the internet. In many cases, it's visible within minutes, but it can take longer depending on your network and caching, occasionally up to 24-48 hours. To check progress, try opening your domain in a private browsing window and refresh periodically. If you're seeing a cached page, clearing your browser cache, or testing from a different device can help. That's it. You've chosen a hosting plan, completed billing, set up your account, and connected your GoDaddy domain to your GoDaddy hosting. You're now ready to install your site and start building.